Welcome to this beautiful, custom-built, original owner log home. It's nestled in a peaceful setting on 5 acres, just minutes from town. Follow the long private driveway to this quiet retreat with tall timbers, a vineyard, and lush fruit-bearing trees surrounding you. A beautiful flagstone pathway and an expansive covered front porch invite you inside. You'll discover a great room-style floor plan with hardwood floors, a stone fireplace, and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. The gourmet kitchen offers every amenity for the chef and the family with custom cabinets, slate finishes, gas appliances, and a large island. The main floor master suite is complete with French doors leading to a sitting room or office and access to the private deck. From the upper deck, you can relax and take in the sights and sounds of nature while enjoying the peaceful views. On the upper level, a roomy loft is ready for your favorite book or just enjoying conversation with friends and family. You'll find 2 more large bedroom suites on this upper level, each with its own private full bath. The finished daylight basement is perfect for entertaining, multi-generational living needs, or a separate space for an Airbnb. You'll find a wine cellar and a spacious 4th bedroom with its own private sitting room. From here you can head out to the back deck, overlooking the sprawling lawn and natural pathways. Other features include a dog run, chicken coop, and an additional detached 2-car garage for all of your toys, equipment, or storage. Living here, you're close to excellent Sherwood schools, the Elks Lodge, the YMCA, and 99W. You can also enjoy beautiful wine country, and it's just an hour to Mount Hood or the scenic Oregon coast. A rare opportunity for a private Northwest retreat just minutes from town. You'll find it all here waiting for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Jason and Amber Gardner at 971-832-1234 or visit them online at gardnerteam.net. For financing options, contact Stephen Syme with the Mark Hanna team at Directors Mortgage.